Buenos nachos, damas y caballeros. So this video that you're about to watch was actually filmed yesterday, April 17th, and now it's the following day. Nice and warm and not raining. But yesterday there was this huge thunder and lightning storm that started at about 5:15 p.m. just after I finished doing a bunch of photography at an area where there's some really nice waterfalls on a piece of private property that I had permission to take photos on. So anyway, the footage you're going to see is me basically getting drenched on my walk back to Guadalupe, which is in Santander, Colombia. And fortunately I had an umbrella with me, so I only got drenched from about here down, kept my my good camera dry. But it was just pouring in the streets up ahead. Just down this hill here, for instance, were like small rivers. And I thought, wow, what the heck, I'm gonna pull out my GoPro because that's waterproof, and I'll see if I can record some of the lightning. And it started off really slow, and I was getting kind of thinking to myself, well, this is kind of a waste of time because there's only a lightning flash every few minutes. But then it just got more and more intense to the point where it's like every few seconds. And I thought, oh, this is kind of interesting. I was getting soaked, but it was kind of fun at the same time because it was just such an intense weather pattern. And trying to show you the town a little bit as I go along here. So yeah, as I was coming up the old street here, the water was just pouring down just like a river. So I managed to catch a few pretty good lightning flashes and some lightning bolts and some thunder, so I thought you might enjoy watching that. So that's about it. Enjoy from Guadalupe, Colombia, one of my favorite new little places in Colombia. Oh, the fun of taking photos. Don't know if you can hear the thunder, but there's also lightning accompanying it. So there's nothing like carrying a metal tripod and an umbrella with lightning, but we'll presume that it'll be okay. Woohoo! It's getting a little crazy. A lot of lightning. Trying to catch a lightning flash here, or some good thunder. It's catching up with me. Come on. Ooh, there we go. I think I got that one. Bunch of little mini flashes going on right now. That's a good one. Just going on and on. Every few seconds now. Pretty wild. Oh man, that was a good one. I mean, it's almost totally dark now. I could just stand here and watch this. It's actually a beautiful thing. Whoa, that was a good fork right in the center of the screen. Come to rain again, pouring. Wow, wow, wow. Holy crap, it's gonna pour. Okay, I gotta get my umbrella ready here. Holy shit. I wish you could see this better. The main road into Guadalupe is literally, look at what's going on there. Look how it's coming off that roof there. It's nuts. Very frankly, all I really care about right now, since I'm soaked, is keeping my camera dry. Wow, this is crazy. There's like a waterfall coming off of that person's roof. Literally like a waterfall. Holy shit. Wow. I think there's going to be some flooding. Crazy. Nobody else is stupid enough to be out here right now, but I don't have a choice. I have to walk back in this.